This is a beautiful color, beautiful pattern. We're gonna curl her though. This is giving me good lace. Okay, we're gonna bleach these knots a bit. And Kelly's on the way. Let's see what we got to say. Girl, they be on this live hyping me up.
I'm sorry. Oh, not the wig.
Yes, mermaid under the sea. Yes. I ain't lying, because I'm telling the truth. Why?
It's just not fun.
Don't hate on him.
Nah, he's not the same.
Y'all like the color? This is your favorite? No, this is artistry.
You'll be dead ass wrong.
It's giving like sporty, like.
This lace look good. We gotta take a shot for this one. Ooh.
I'm gonna throw up, bro.
Ooh, yes, Kelly Hicks. You look so sexy. It's really turning me on. Yes, you never get your hair like this. Pretty girl, rock the hair. Show the lace. Ooh,
Ooh.
yeah, yeah. Oh, she did her big. Period.